Research made simple with AI. In today's segment, we're going to explore Consensus, an AI-driven database that allows us to pull scholarly content, organize the information, and most importantly, export the information through Zotero. So what is Consensus? According to their website, Consensus is an academic search engine powered by AI, but grounded in scientific research. They use large language models and purpose-built search technologies to surface the most relevant papers. They synthesize both topic-level and paper-level insights, so everything is connected to real research papers. Furthermore, the current source materials used in Consensus comes from the Systematic Scholar database, which includes over 200 million papers across all domains of science. They continue to add more and more data over time, and their data sets are updated monthly. So let's take a look at what they have. First, we're going to go to consensus.app. From here, what we're going to do is we're just going to choose a generic example that they have here for our first example. So we're going to choose, does creatine help build muscle? We can see here that it gives us a list of different articles. They give us these citations, which ones are highly cited. This one's fairly old, but it's been cited more than 163 times, so we can see that it's highly cited. We have the RCT feature here as well. So this tells us that this was a randomized controlled trial study, and it will provide us a study snapshot as well, which is really fantastic because it provides us the summary of this particular article, right? So it provides us an overview of the population, the sample size, and the outcome. So I really like that. Once we click on this particular article, we can see that it will direct us to the PDF. So if we click on this PDF feature, we can certainly get the article. I'm going to accept all cookies for now, and I'm going to download this particular article. And here is our article, which is fantastic, right? So this is one of the great ways that they can eliminate artificial hallucinations and things like that, is connecting it directly to the article. Other features that I like about this is the synthesize and copilot features. So if we click on both of these, we can see that it will provide us a summary of 10 publications and give us what they analyze, which is fantastic. Copilot allows us to look at some of the key insights based on the information here, and it develops its own analysis. One of the other great features about this is if we need the citations, we can just click on the citing feature right here. So if we need it in APA, we can just copy and paste it. If we need it in MLA, we can certainly do the same thing. We can save this by creating a folder. So if I wanted to save this particular publication, I can certainly save it into my favorites. And we can see other things as well in terms of what they provide in terms of a rigorous journal. So they're providing journal rankings as well, which I think is fantastic, because that was one of the things with some of these AI databases that came out a couple years ago, is the quality of information that was in these databases. And you can see here Consensus has done a fantastic job in identifying which is a credible journal, which is a non-credible journal, which is at the 10% of journals. So you know you're getting quality content in this particular database. And they also have study snapshots as well. So if we click here, we can see once again, just an overview of the study, the populations, number of studies, and etc. Not perfect, but something that allows you to kind of dig in the article without digging directly into the article and reading it. So we can see that there's a lot of fantastic features here. We can tell what's a literature review, what's a randomized control trial, and which are highly cited. One of the best features I like about are my favorites that allows me to import articles into my favorites and export it into a citation management called Zotero. So I can click on the RIS feature, double click. It allows me to export the information here. We can see all the metadata is here, and this is what we want. So we want this to connect to a citation feature, and Consensus has really stepped it up by connecting this with Zotero. So I really like this, and the features as well. It makes it pretty straightforward and easy to use. The second part of this segment I wanted to focus on was how good is its search functionalities. So what we're going to do is we're going to use keywords and Boolean operators to really see what type of information and coverage does it have. So I'm just going to type in management and issues using the Boolean operators and United States. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to put this in quotations just to see if it picks it up. Interesting to see. I think if I was to do this again, I would really have to do more of a targeted search because it seems that it's pulling from different places in different directions. One of the things that I wanted to see based on the advanced search is A, the quality of content that it has here, and B, what are the filters that we can use. So we can filter this, let's say based on 2015. I really like the features of the methods section, journals, domains, and etc. Really, really great stuff. And what we're gonna do is just keep it simple and apply to this section. And now we should have information from 2015. I'm gonna click on this particular article to see if I can get the full text. I certainly can. So I can pull this publication and get the full text from a credible journal. We know it's based out of Elsevier, so we know we're getting credible information, and we have the study snapshot. One of the good things about this as well is that it provides us the references of the articles. So if we wanted to take even a deeper dive into this article and the references, it will provide that to us as well. We can certainly save into our folder, or if you wanted to cite this, we can certainly cite this as well within the APA, MLA format, or etc., which is great. Or if you wanted to, once again, import this into Zotero, you can certainly do so. It's pretty straightforward. Really good job by Consensus in terms of assessing the researcher's needs. I thought they did a fantastic job in terms of that. And using the Boolean operators has been pretty straight on in terms of how to use it, its functionalities, and the coverage that you'll be getting in this database. My thoughts and observations. The quality of information that you're getting from this AI scholarly platform continues to get better. In my observation, I felt Consensus is given an A because their content was a lot better. The information and the citations allows you to work seamlessly throughout the process, right? So whether it's with the Copilot or the other features that allows you to really analyze the papers a lot more quickly and efficiently, continues to be a game changer. The features of Copilot and the synthesizer enhances its resources for researchers on time constraints. I know that many students, even faculty and other researchers, are always on time constraints, and these additional features were a plus. Allowing the exportation of articles to citation software such as Mendeley or Zotero is a game changer. The reason why I put the question mark in there is because they don't have a connection to Mendeley, but Zotero is the direct connection with it, which was fantastic. So I would love to see them connect with other citation managers such as RefWorks and Mendeley and other ones that are out there. If they can make those connections, I think that this could be a complete game changer when it comes to organizing citations. And the implementation of a more detailed search capability is necessary. I thought they did fantastic in terms of the content that's in there, but I would like to see more advanced search capabilities, such as searching for authors and things of that nature. And if you're interested in learning more about scholarly AI databases, please feel free to get my book, 30 AI Tools, Leveraging AI for Efficiencies for Educators, Librarians, and Researchers. Is on sale for $3.99. You could just click on the link here or go directly to the QR code for more information. With that being said, thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. Feel free to connect with me. I'm on LinkedIn and on X. With that being said, see you next time.